Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Zero SRS. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Zero SRS with 3,843 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and cruise control. We have replaced the front tire. Powered by a Z14.4 electric direct drive engine, the SRS puts out 111 horsepower and 140 foot-pounds of torque. With about 4 hours of charge time, the SRS has around a 171-mile range. It has a 31-inch seat height and a 518-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We installed a new front tire and the rear is at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 3 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.